What's up, you guys? Zoeb here from OneGlanceTrader.com, and I'm really excited to be sharing with you version 1.1 of the OGT Zone Recovery EA. Now, it's not like me to be releasing a video midweek, but I didn't want to delay this until next Sunday because this coming Sunday I'll be releasing a brand new indicator. So if you guys are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, please like the video. It really helps me out to bring in these brand new free indicators and EAs to you guys. Now, what myself and Alistair have done is we've crawled through all the emails and all the comments, and we've selected the most requested updates and features. A lot of them were around the bug fixes, which have all been fixed in this current version, and we made sure that we've incorporated it in version 1.1. There is a lot of good feedback that's also come in. We have logged all that feedback, and we hope to release some of that stuff in future versions. So in this video, what we've done is myself and Alistair, we jumped on another Zoom, and Alistair walks through the 5-6 new kind of updates that have happened since version 1.1. And I've just been playing with version 1.1. And again, I've just done a short back test. I think this is on the Euro USD September, well, throughout the whole of September on the 15-minute chart. And you know, it's working pretty well. Obviously, you see these little dips, which is the kind of martingale approach, you know, factor in there. And a lot of you guys have talked about the martingale factor. And again, you don't have to double your lot size. You can do 1.1, 1.2, 1.5, and you guys will notice in the 10-day challenge when I was trading this system on a paid EA, I wasn't always doing a multiple factor of 2. So there are many different ways that you can kind of trade this indicator. Again, there's a manual mode where you can physically place the trades on where you would like to buy and sell, and let the EA manage it. Or what you can do is do the automated version, which is what this backtest is, using the RSI MT4 EA. So what I'll do is I'll link in the top right hand corner the tutorial video for version 1, because that goes into all the input settings. And what Alistair will be focusing on in this video is focusing on the main updates from version 1 to 1.1. So sit back and relax, go check out that tutorial video now, and then go and download your version of 1.1. Again, absolutely free. A link is in the description. And as always, please provide your feedback. If there's anything on there that you want to request or bug fixes, just let us know and we can get that resolved ASAP. So let's head over to the Zoom call by me and Alistair. So thanks, Alistair. Thanks for coming back on the OGT YouTube channel, and I believe you've got some changes for version 1.1. So what I'll do is hand over to your good self.
Thank you very much, Zoe. Good to be back, and thank you everyone else for comments and feedback on the EA. It's been really useful for me to develop it and really make it robust, with lots of people coming forward with comments in such a quick amount of time, which is, I suppose, one of the strengths of doing it as a community, an OGT community. And so some of the updates we've got on the version 1.1 of the Zone Recovery EA. The first one is of course to fix the bugs that were raised by the community on Forex Factory and YouTube comments as well. So the main one being the recovery lot sizes. There was a little issue there on some of those, so I can actually demonstrate that. So if I click take a sell here, this is on the GU. I'll just get the terminal up so you can see those two trades. You can see that it has doubled in the opposite direction, which is nice, and works in the other direction as well. So nice and easy there. So that's fixed. So sorry about that, but thanks for bringing it to my attention. Also, we've got a visual take profit line. So this is something that makes it look a bit better. I've got a visual backtest running, which you can see it's in a trade at the moment. It's in a sell direction, and it's looking to take us out of the trade, this line here. And you can actually go into the inputs of the EA and change the colour of that line if you'd rather a different one. The third thing is I've added a few things in the comment section, just in the top left corner above here, just to make it easier to follow what your EA is doing. So we've got, first of all, average price. It's pretty self-explanatory what your average price is with all your open positions. What your profit target is it says here in dollars, but in truth it's whatever your account currency is. So if your account currency is in pounds, it will say dollars, but it means £20. It tells you what your trade costs are to close out your current positions, which is for this is your spread and commission, and what your running profit is. So you can see here, this one's in a little bit of profit. So we're in $1.80 profit here. So what the EA is looking for is to get this to $20 plus the trade cost to take us out, which is where this line is here. The last one is, which is was probably a bit annoying before, which is when you change the time frame, it no longer removes the trading panel, so you can flip between time frames, and that works fine. And the last thing, which I thought I'd add in there, so I hope you don't mind, is I've been working on a pending price functionality so that you can enter pending orders rather than market orders, but still be working through the zone recovery method. So you can set your price to be above or below where the current one is, and then it will. So if you're below, if your price you want, for instance, I'll just get up a line here with a slightly better color if I can. Let me just change the color of that line to something more visible, like red. So if you want to jump in at this price here, Zoeb, and you click buy, it will obviously be a buy limit, and if you click sell, it will do a sell stop, and vice versa. If you move that, if you want to get in here and you select 1.3052, if you click buy, it's going to be a buy stop and go straight through, and if you click sell, it will be a sell limit and go down. So the EA is smart enough to work out what kind of pending order you use depending on the price you set, and if you want to use market orders, just leave that or put that box to 0. But that is, like I say, that last function is, I've added that in recently, so it's in beta, shall we call it. So if you do test it out, I encourage you to test it out, and if you come up with any more issues with that, let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to fix it as soon as possible.
Brilliant. No, like I said, Alistair, really appreciate you taking the time, and especially getting involved in the comments and everything. I've seen a lot of stuff and a lot of people asking lots of questions regarding this, and like you said, I think you summed it up brilliantly in terms of this is a community. This is like I said, a free EA that obviously that you're lending out to the community to use, and yeah, no, I really enjoyed this, and hopefully we've kind of got the bugs and everything kinked out of the system. And where I really want to take this now is really looking at the trading strategies that we can input in. I know a lot of you guys have already emailed me, and some of you guys put your suggestions in the comments of trying to get in additional trading strategies for the automated version of this EA. So if you guys do have any of those kind of volatile kind of trading kind of strategies, just email me or just put them in the comments, and myself and Alistair will look at it. We've got a couple of ideas, and but what I really wanted to do was kind of get version 1.1 out as soon as we possibly could, just to make sure that we've got a functional working EA, and then we can start looking at the more exciting add-ons. So Alistair, thanks again for your time, really appreciate it. And for everyone else, really hope that you guys enjoy the EA, like this video, and I shall see you guys in the next video.